Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to fix Clownfish voice changer not working. First thing, check your microphone and speaker settings. Open Discord, user settings, then click voice and video from the left panel. Under input device, select the same microphone and it is used in Clownfish. Do the same for output device if needed, then save and restart your PC. Also, you can try setting Clownfish as default in system audio. Open control panel, then sound. Go to recording tab, then right-click on the Clownfish compatible microphone, set as default and set as default communication device. Repeat for playback tab. If needed, then click OK, then restart Clownfish. And finally, try updating Clownfish to the latest version. Go to control panel, programs, then Unistale program. Find Clownfish voice changer, right-click it and then click Unistale. Visit the official Clownfish download page and download the latest version based on your OS. Run the installer and complete the installation, then restart your PC and test the app again. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.